A man I know lost his adult son. Onyelugo ifeji mademe. So we're talking, and he diagnosed himself. Sinonwechi, wenkewan, manonweli ikenga. And now, if he fell eme gokita, ikenga bu ife eme ki if he fell lape idakwasigi. Ife ne itiso obi. Because on how an adult son die, even in woman no go even know why she dey look him himself somehow when na the two of them with that other chief fall on top. But now her body go dey tell am say this thing no suppose happen. Her mom go dey tell am say this thing no suppose happen where him dey. Na nwa adibia adigi efu na mba bụ maka ikenga nna ya. But onwe ife Igbo ji wee zata abugbo. Odilo late for him as the elder will carry and come my house talk. Odilo late for him. After him don't go scan finish, they sure say maybe the son no atolo nwa na alo say ife we elie nwa. Maka na nwa elugi ife ji nwoke eme na onwe bego his own activities. Yota. Kwa lapo ibu ifo meta. Eweje ni nwa udume nwa alo sili isie for example. Once him don't dey sure of that. Once him don't dey sure say nothing dey way be say if you can't go bury the boy, the thing go can't enter on a next person for a family, can't enter the next person for the family, can't enter because he wanna carry something that belong to Alosi. Once him done dey sure of that, bury the boy. Me and I'm now, I go follow him. If you don't call on me anyways, I go follow him, go in Obi, go set up, go guide them on how to do the things the right way. No be all these archaic behaviors. All these onwe mgbe ọ bụ ọgwụ ka eji aga mana ọbụla ọgwụ this oga I don't know oga ife asị na anọ ya but this current oga ọbụla ife ọgwụ ka na-eme ife a na-eme bụ ife ezumezu ife na gị na mmụọ gị onye a bụ ife a na-eme because inwe ọgwụ egbe enwere ike welu isi pịagbuo gị right mana inwe ọgwụ ka mma bụ buluru m ụzọ kpeelu m azụ. Make I know they wear that in the soap. Yota. Wepụrụ m akogoli. Maka ụfọdụ ndị a nwesị ma ọgwụ egbe. The kind akogoli wey dey follow them. Highest. Ali afenu with moto. Ma ya bụrụ na ndụ a adịrọ. Anyị nọ n'okwu ekwensu. Aka ike ngaji.